Let us start with the new chapter, Parts of a Sentence. In the previous class, we have studied about the sentence and its rules. Let us revise it again. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And whenever we write a sentence, we have to write it in a proper order to give it a complete sense. As you see in the screen, there are two sentences given. One sentence goes like this: is Koda Mona girl? But it doesn't give you a complete sense. But when you write it in a proper order, so it goes like, Mona is a good girl. Now let us understand the two main parts of a sentence, subject and a predicate. Look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. As you see on the screen, I have divided the sentences into two parts, subject and a predicate. Let us read the sentences one by one. Number 1, the basket is full of mangoes. Number 2, Rajni is drinking tea. Number 3, the cow is eating grass. And number 4, the sun shines in the daytime. Now students, what do you notice in this given set of sentences? Read the first sentence. The basket is full of mangoes. You can see in the screen in sentence number 1, I have written is full of mangoes. What it is telling us? It tells us something about the subject, the basket. What does the basket has? The basket is full of mangoes. So the predicate means it is telling us about the information regarding the subject. Now, when I see sentence number 2, Rajni is drinking tea. In the same manner, you can see the sentences is drinking tea. It also tells us something about the subject Rajni, who is a girl. What she is doing? She is drinking tea. Sentence number 3, the cow is eating grass. So in the sentence number 3 also, what you can see is eating grass is a predicate. Why? It is telling us some information about the subject, the cow. And finally, in the sentence number 4, the sun shines in the daytime. As you can see, the set of sentences shines in the daytime. It tells us something about the subject, the sun. Where does the sun shines? The sun shines in the daytime. Therefore, the predicate of a sentence tells us something about the subject. Now, let us do one exercise. You can see on the screen, you have to divide the subject and the predicate in the given set of sentences. Number 1, apples grow on trees. Number 2, the sun sets in the west. Number 3, the policeman caught the thief. And number 4, the boy is eating an ice cream. I will solve one sentence for you. As you can see in the first sentence, apples grow on trees. Here, apple is the subject and the rest of the sentence will become predicate, because apples, why it is a subject? Because it is asking that where it grows on trees. So apple is a subject. I hope that you have understood the two main parts of a sentence. Please write the definitions of the subject and the predicate in your notebooks. Also solve few exercises attached with the link. Thank you.